In this video, I'm going to talk about echo effects tutorial for making music videos, an effect which is used a lot in making music videos and also some of the movies. I have a video here. You can see that there is a movement in the hands. I go to Effects, Video Effects, Time, and the Echo effect. There are some buttons here. One of them is the number of echoes, which is on one here. Echo time based on second. I can set this on the plus. Decay, which I can change. And also the echo operator, and I set it on add. Then play it. This needs to be rendered. You can see how this effect works. I can also set a keyframe for it and decide when it starts. I come here and add an echo time keyframe or number echo. I go back a little and add a keyframe and set the numbers on 0. I also add a keyframe here and set the numbers on 0.
If you want to learn more, click on the link below to watch more videos.